Hello, this is Tuba Mirza and welcome to Recoding. Today we're gonna learn how to handle form request inside Deno. So without further ado, let's get started. All the links used inside this video were mentioned inside description box. For our project, we're gonna need some third-party module like Oak, View Engine and multi-parser. First, we need to import our packages. Import Oak from its URL. Inside Oak, we require application and router classes. Now we need to import View Engine. Inside it, we need to require View Engine, Engine Factory and Adapter Factory. Now we are going to import multi-parser from this URL. After importing our module, we need to set our engine and adapter we are using. So for this example, we are using EGS engine and Oak as adapter. So const EGS engine is equal to engine factory.get EGS engine. For our adapter, we are using Oak, so we can set it as const Oak adapter equal to adapter factory.get Oak adapter. Now we can initialize our app as const app equal to new application class. Then we need to initialize router as const router equal to new router class. Then we pass a view engine as middleware to our application as app.use, view engine, Oak adapter and EGS engine. Now let's set up a router as router.get. Inside it, we need to pass the path. Here we pass as root path. Then we need to pass arrow function which has context as parameter. Then we can pass context. Render inside render, we're gonna pass our index.ejs file. After setting a router, let's pass a router to our application as app.use router.routes. app.useRouter.allowed method. Then we log that a server is running at port 8000. Then we pass our app to listen to port 8000. Now, let's start our server as Deno run allow net, allow read, allow write, and pass our file app.ts. Before checking our application, it needs to create index.ejs file in our root directory. Inside our index.ejs, we can write code as simple HTML, so we pass our body tag. Inside a body tag, we create h1 tag. Inside it, we write hello and pass EJS output tag data.message. So inside our index.ts, we need to pass object data which consists our message world. Now open the browser and check our code is working or not. So here you can see hello world appears. Now inside our index.ejs, we need to create our form. Inside our form, we need to pass action as post, method as post. We also need to pass int type as multi-part form data. Then we need to add input tag, which is a type of email, name as email. Add label as email and add placeholder. Let's refresh our browser and see our form element has appeared. Now, inside the app, we need to add post functionality to route to post path. Now, render our index.ejs file. Before it, we need to request a form data as const form. We can wrap a multi-parser inside jsn.stringify. Then we can parse our email as jsn.parse pass form into it. Then we can pass the email as object inside our email like this. Now let's check our browser. Inside the form, type your email and press enter. So here we have made server to handle form request. Stay tuned to second part of this video and we're gonna make registration form and also add functionality to save inside database. See you in the next video.